Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
So, children, we were last class we were revising chapter 9, fractions 1.
Yes,
What all
ma'am.
things we learned here? 9.1. What was the topic? That is
lowest
equivalence of fractions.
Equivalent
That's
fraction. Equivalent
Okay,
fraction.
tell me what is equivalent fraction? Equivalent.
Fractions that denote the same part of
Fractions that denote the same
The
part.
same part of a whole.
We can make equivalent fraction either by multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. Fraction that denote the same part. Then we checked how we can find whether the given fractions are equivalent by
Cross multiplying.
okay.
Cross multiplying.
Then we learned 9.2 fraction in its lowest term. How we can find out the fraction in its lowest term?
Using HCF or
Division or HCF. Okay, division means we will revision the numerator and denominator. They are relatively prime. Relatively prime means there is no common factors between the numerator and denominator. Directly by using HCF, and we discussed the various method. HCF, writing all the factors, and from the factors find out the highest or
prime factorization method.
okay. So children, today we are going to do revision for compare unlike fractions. So to start with unlike fractions, can you tell me what is like fractions?
Unlike fractions,
Denominators
are same.
Hand and say
Denominator of the like fractions are same.
maybe some children, they don't know what is like and unlike, and if you say together, it's not clear. So one by one, who can tell me?
Ma'am, can you?
Okay, Gautam. Like fractions.
The fraction that have the same denominator.
Fraction that have same
Denominator.
Same denominator. So, Dia, can you tell me what is unlike fractions?
Fractions that have different denominators.
Different denominators. So, children, I think in class 4, you discussed about like fractions, how to add and subtract like fractions, how to compare like fractions. But here we are learning how to compare unlike fractions. Unlike. So, what we have to do to compare two or more fractions? What we have to do? We have to make their denominators same. How we can make the denominators same? Yes, children? How we can make the denominators same? Yes, Agni?
And by finding the LCM.
LCM. So, children, to find the fraction in its lowest term, we will divide by HCF. But here, to make the denominators same, what we will do? Find the LCM. Now, children, we will first start with the multiple choice question. All of you, please see your workbook. Tell me 9.3. Which page?
Page number 20.
Page number 21. 2021.
Okay. So we will start with the page number 20 from your workbook.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Fia. Question number 1.
Okay, ma'am. The fractions 4 by 6 and 7 by 15 are dash fractions.
Fraction
Unlike
4 by 6 and 7 by 15. Look at the denominators.
They are unlike.
They are different. So that means these fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, Tanya, question number 2.
The fraction 1 by 11 and 7 by 11. Now what's the page number? Fraction.
Page number 21. Which fraction? Page number 21.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanya.
The fraction 1 by 11 and 7 by 11 are dash fractions, like fractions.
Like fractions. So here both the denominators are same. So here 1 by 11, 7 by 11, they are like fractions. Question number 3. John. Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. The fractions 4 by 6 and 2 by 7 are
Dash fractions.
Unlike fractions. So children, now take out your rough book. Next one onwards, you have to find or compare. Like here it is unlike fractions. So first of all, 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. So children, here the denominators are different. You have to compare. Compare means what you have to do. Children, you can write the heading. Revision of which chapter here now? 9.3.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Revision. Chapter 9.3. Compare unlike fractions. Compare unlike. So children, you have to make the denominators same. So here children, you can see this different method you can see here. See here, I have to make here 6. Here I have 3. So I know by which number I equivalent fractions, you know. You can make the denominators multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. You will get equivalent fractions. Okay, so you can use this method. See, 3 times which number you will get 6? 2. So 3 into 2, 1 into 2. So here it is 2 by 6. So you can make the denominators same. You can make the denominators same. So what is this? They are equal. So children, this is, they are equal. Okay, equal.
Isha, I have a doubt. Ma'am, in 2 by 6, the 2 we are doing it.
2 by 6, what?
And 2 by 6 and 1 by 3 is the question. Then we are taking the 2 and multiplying with 1 by 3.
See, we have to change 1 by 3. See here, 1 by 3. Okay. So our aim is to make the denominator same.
Yeah.
Okay. So 3, how we can make 6?
3 into 6.
3 into?
3 into 2.
3 into 2. So if you are doing the denominator by the same number, you should do the...
You should get the same number itself.
By the same number itself, because we learned, discussed already equivalent fractions. If you are multiplying numerator by 2, denominator should be multiplied by 2. We cannot take one numerator by 10, numerator by denominator 2. No. Okay, by the same number. So they are equal. So children, some children, they have doubt in here. LCM. So we will write the another method here. How to find the LCM of 6 and 3. Here we have discussed here 6 and 3. So I will show you, children, please listen. First of all, we will write the multiplication table of 3, multiplication table of 6 and 3. Okay. Isha, can you tell me the multiples of 6? Multiplication table. 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into... I am not asking the factors. I am asking multiples. Multiples means you have to write the multiplication table of 6, multiplication table of 3. Okay. 6 into 1, 6. Okay. 6 into 2,
12.
12. 6 into
18.
3, 18.
24.
24, etc. So children, LCM, that is not limited. It is going without any end. Okay. Now, what is the multiple of 3? Yes.
3.
1, 3. 3 twos are?
6.
3 threes are?
9.
9.
12.
12, 15, 18, etc. Now, children, my question is to find the LCM, least common multiple. Least common multiple. So, first of all, what will I do? I will circle all the multiples. 6 and 6. Here there is 12. Here also 12. Okay. Here it is 18.
18 and 18.
18. So children, I don't want the highest. I will take only the least. So which is the least from this?
6.
Ma'am, by division.
6.
Look at here. I will first of all I will write common multiples. From that I will write
12, 18.
6, 12, 18.
common multiples. 6, 12,
12,
18.
18.
It is going on.
The least
Children, if I am
common
writing here, if I am writing here is 7 into 3, 21, 7, 8
24 is a common multiple.
So children, here it is not ending. Now, LCM, least common multiple. From these common multiples, you have to find what is the smallest LCM.
Smallest number.
6 is the smallest number.
So children, this is one method. Okay. So this is one method of finding LCM, least common multiple. So what you have to do? Write all the multiples. All the multiples means we will do only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till we will get common multiples. And if there are many common multiples, from that you have to find out which is the least, the smallest. The smallest means you will be having only one. You have to write the, you know, the superlative that the, your preposition also you are learning. The smallest.
We are not learning preposition is class.
In the class. So the smallest, the least means you have to take the which is the very small. That is one. Okay, Richard, you were asking something in between.
Nothing, ma'am.
No? Okay. So children, now which is
Ma'am,
the
by
next
division
method?
also we can find LCM.
Now we are going to do the next method. Now here, children, next one, 6 and so children, we know which is the least common. So which is the question here?
And can you take little light color?
Light color, then it will be okay.
And this color is enough.
If I write a little lighter means it will be seen.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, like
Ma'am, in dartboard light colors we'll see.
Ma'am, this color is enough.
Okay. Wait. So here LCM is 6. So we are finding 6 and 3. So again, we are going to take the same question with a different method. 6 and 3. So I'll write here 3 and 6. So first of all, what we will do? Together, division by like together. Like 3 and 6, which is the common? We can 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 3
1
2
and 6.
Okay, so children, if I am taking HCF, highest common means what? Highest common factor?
So we multiply with the divisors.
Tell me the highest common factor.
3.
Okay, listen to my question. HCF means we will stop by here because here 3 and 6 we have only one this which is common in both 3 and 6. We will take only that. Now we are finding LCM, least common multiple means we have to multiply this 1 into 2 also. Here I will do one more step.
2 and 1.
1.
Then 1.
So children, LCM least common 3 into 2.
6.
So now children, you can understand the difference between HCF and LCM, least common multiple. Here least common means we will do till 1 both the numbers we will reduce again and again till we will get 1 and 1. Okay children, so can you find out the LCM? Can I give you one question? All of you please take out your rough book, find the LCM.
Ma'am, while finding the LCM, we can follow any method, right?
Any method, no problem. Okay. Find the LCM of 9 and 12. Please mute your audio.
Ma'am, finish.
No, wait. Children, you can use two method. One, I told you, write the multiples, write that division also. Two methods.
What do you mean?
I want two methods.
Ma'am, division?
Both the methods. Look here, we have discussed here two methods. One is like this prime factorization. Then the other one is writing the multiples, then finding the least.
Ma'am, better is...
I know better, but children, to practice only one or two questions. In the other questions and all, find the LCM, you can do whichever method. But here one or two questions to practice only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Madhav, I will ask you the answer. Okay. First of all, write the multiples of 9. 9 into 1, 9 into 2. That method you can use. 12 into, okay. So can you tell me the answer here, Madhav, tell me the multiples of 9.
1 into 9, 9.
Yes. 9, 18. 9 into 2 is 18. 9 3s are
7.
27. 9 4s are
36.
36. 9 into 5, 45, etc. Okay.
54.
Okay, 12. 12 into 1 is 12. 12 into 2?
24.
24. 12 into 3?
36.
36. 12 into 4?
48.
48. Okay, now tell me which is the least common multiple.
Ma'am, 9.
Is there 9 here in this multiple of 12? Which is the least common? Can you see any common here? 9? No, here.
36.
Here 18, here 24.
36. 36.
Here we have 36, here we have 36.
36.
So which is the LCM least common multiple? 36. Okay. Now I want the another method here, 9 and 12. So by which number I can divide first?
3.
3. 3. So it will be 3
Okay.
and 4.
So
Three.
it will become 3 and 4.
3 3s are 9.
4. Then 4. 3 and 4.
4 3s are. So again we can take here.
Then 3. 3. 3.
1. Just
1 and 4. 2.
Then 4. 4.
Not 2.
Children, we can do any method, no problem, but I am using only prime numbers. Okay. So what's the answer? LCM. We can take 3 into, again another 3 into, again 2 into 2. 3 3s are 9.
9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36.
So children, any method, if you write
We
LCM,
can add 4 directly, right?
we can do that also, no problem.
Okay.
See, another I will stop by here, that also possible here. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now there are no common numbers, so directly I can take 3 into 3 into 4. That also possible, because you are doing for the first time, we used with till 1 1. Otherwise, you maybe this is also possible. 9 4s are 36. Anyway, if you make till 1 1, also we'll get the same answer. Okay, children, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will give you some questions. I will give you some questions now.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I do the first method? That right?
Any method, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 5 by 6 and 1 by 3.
Ma'am, what we
Compare.
need to
This is
find?
compare. Question number 2. 1 by 5, 3 by 10.
And find LCM.
Without finding LCM, how you can make the denominator same? 2 by 8, 3 by 4. You have to compare. Compare means greater, less than, or equal to. But here you can see all they are unlike. The denominators are different. So what do you have to do? Make the denominators same by finding the LCM. Then compare.
Ma'am, can you give some more questions?
Ma'am, finish, ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finished.
Children, this comparison we can do another one more method. Have you remember that? Do you remember? Cross multiply. Yes, that also possible. Cross multiply.
First one is not equal and second one is something.
Or we can multiply by multiply also, right?
Yes. But the denominators should be
Ma'am, all questions.
finished. Can you say the answer? 5
Ma'am,
by
all are not equivalent.
5 by 6 is bigger.
5 by 6 is bigger.
5 by 6 and 1 by 3. How you got equivalent fraction, Richard?
Ma'am, I thought it was equal.
Yes. So children, first we will make the denominator same. So here 3. I know this 3. 3 times any method we can use. Our aim is that I want the same denominator. 3 2s are 6. Here also 6. So what will I do? The same here.
2 by 6.
So 1 into 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 5 or 2, which is bigger? 5
by 6, 5 by 6.
Children, please see that your answer is correct or wrong. You can check.
3 by 10 next.
Here, children, this is 5. Here it
3
is
by 10
10.
is bigger.
3 by 10.
Into 2.
Into
Here
2.
into
3 by 10 is
1 into 2
by
is
10,
2.
3 by 10.
Here 3. 3 is great.
3,
Yeah.
2 by 10.
3 by
2
4.
by 8
3
and
by 4.
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
2 by 8 and 6
Ma'am,
by
3 by 4. 6 by 8.
3 by 4.
here 2
3 by
is
4 is the bigger one.
okay. Okay, children. Now do see that how we can use that cross multiply 5 by 6 and which is the question 5 by 6 and 1 by 3. So children, 5 3s are 5 into 3 15. 6 into 1 6, which is bigger? 5 is bigger.
5.
This method is very easy. No need to make any LCM. No need to find out any LCM by any method. Just cross multiply. Here, look here. 1 by 5, 3 by 10. 10 into 1, 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 or 10, which is
3 bigger.
3 by 10 is bigger.
15 is bigger. So that's why 3 by 10. So children, you can use this cross multiply method also. You will see the numerator which is bigger. You can do like that. Is that clear? Yes, children? I will give you some more questions here. Here, 11 by 18. What do you have to do? Compare. 6 by 15. Look at here 18 and 15. The denominators are different. You have to make common denominators to find the LCM, or you want to cross multiply, that also possible. This is question number 1 again. Here question number 2. You can continue with your numbers. Okay, I'm just writing the numbers. 28 by 9. 43 by 13. Compare all these two questions. Compare. See, we are making little more bigger numbers. Okay.
Ma'am, only 2 questions.
Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
So first question 11 by 8. 6 by 15.
11 by 18.
11 by 18
11
is
by
bigger.
18. 6 by 15. Which is bigger?
11 by 18.
11 by 18 is bigger.
Bigger.
This is greater. And what about 28 by 9 and 43 by...
43 by 13 is bigger.
Okay, now children, we will find out by cross multiplication. So this question we will do with cross multiplication. By 8, 6 by 15. So children, 15 into 11. You have to do
165.
165.
165.
165 is this fraction number for 11 by 18. Then we will do 18 into 6.
108. 108.
108. So children, look at the numerators only here. Numerators only here. So this is greater. That means this answer is correct.
Yes.
Next one, how to cross multiply 28 by 9, 43 by 13. You have to cross multiply and write 28
364. 364. 28 into 13 is called 364. Man, 364.
364 for this. Okay, 300 and...
Man, 387.
Okay, we'll see. 43 into 9. 43 times 9. 9 3s are 27. 2 is carryover. 9 4. 36 plus 2, 38.
387.
So children, what do you have to do? This is bigger. So this is bigger. That also great.
So that also
correct. So question number 1, 11 by 18 is greater than 6 by 15. Then the second one, 28 by 9, 43 by 13, 8 by 9 is... So children, if you have any difficulty in finding the LCM and all, you can use cross multiply method. When you cross multiply, see the numerators. Which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Okay children, is that clear? Yes.
So big numbers we can do by cross multiplying, right?
Big numbers, it's we can do cross multiply. Okay. Yes, Angelina, you were absent there. You were absent. Yes.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I was having some network issues.
Okay. So children, now we will do ascending order, descending order. So Angelina, we are now doing the revision of chapter.
Coming and going, so I cannot got next.
Okay, okay. So here we are doing today chapter 9. We're doing revision. So children, ascending order. What is ascending order? Yes, Nandita. Ascending order means writing the numbers from small
Small to big.
Small to big. Arrange the fractions from small to big. That is ascending order, descending order. So children, if it was like fractions, very easy. Just look at the numerators, then arrange from small to big. But here we have to see the unlike
Fractions.
Fractions.
So children, we will do what do you have to do? Make the same denominator.
Ma'am, we need to write questions.
Convert
Yes, yes.
unlike fractions.
Children, write the question. Otherwise, after some time, arrange in ascending order. First one, I will give you easy one. That is like fractions. Arrange in ascending order. This is very easy. All the denominators are same. So what do you have to do? Just look at the numerators and arrange in ascending, small to big. Next one.
Finished.
Question number 2. That is, children, you have to make denominator 3 by 8, 5 by 6, 2 by 4, 1 by 3 and 6 by 8. First of all, find out the LCM. Here you have to find the LCM. Then If all the LCM means you have to make the denominator same. Then look at the numerators and arrange from small to big. Please mute your audio, children. So can we discuss the answer of question number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Answer. Yes, children, tell me the answer.
1
Ascending
by
1 by
20.
20.
3 by 20.
3 by 20.
9 by 20.
9 by 20.
17 by 20.
18 by 20.
19 by 20.
By 20.
10 by 20.
19 by
So
20.
children, look at here. If the denominators are same, it is very easy. Only look at the numerators.
Numerator.
Here, you have to make equal denominator. So what is the LCM you got?
24.
24. So
20.
if you make 3, 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 24. 3 3 you have to do. Here 6 into 4. So you have to make it here, multiply with the 4. Here to make it 24, 6 into 4 into 6. Here also you have to make 6. 3 into 8. Here also 8. Here 8 into 3. Again 8 into 3.
And so first one is 1 by 3.
Okay, so here you can write it is equal to 9. Here it is 20. 20, 9. Here it is 12. Here it is 8. Here it is 18.
Ma'am, so first one is 1 by 3. Then 2 by 4.
The first one is 1 by 3 and 3 by 8 and 5 by 6.
Ascending order, small to big. Okay. So the first one here we have 9. Here it is 8. So that is
1 by 3. Then 3 by 8.
And 3 by 8 and 5 by 6.
Then 2 by 4. Then 5 by then 6 by 8.
And 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
okay. So check again 1 by 3. Then 3 by 8. 2 by 4. 6 by 8 and 5 by 6. So first of all, you have to make the common denominators. If you multiply with 3, you will get here 24, 6 into 4, 24, 4 into 6, 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 3 into 8, 8 into 3. Only this much we have. So here 24, look at the numerators. Write the numerators from small to big. That is the answer we will get. Here ascending order. Now children, the same question write in descending order. Now we have the answer with you. So descending means what? Write from the back. That is from big to small. So we can write the opposite. Descending order answer.
5 by 6, 6 by 8, 2 by 4, 3 by 8 and 1 by 3.
Start from the back. So
5 by 6.
descending big 5 by 6,
6 by 8,
6 by 8,
6 by 8, 2
2
by
by 4,
3 by 8.
3 by 8 and
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
5 by 6, 6 by 8, 2 by 4, 3 by 8 and 1 by 3. Now children, this one, easy one, compare. Question number 2 here, compare 1 by 4 and 6 by 12.
Finish, ma'am.
So what that? Children, look at here, 12 and 4.
And 6 by 12
And 6 by 12 is bigger.
greater.
Look here, you know this is 12 and here how you can make 12? 4 3s are 12 or here 3. So 3 by 12 or 6 by 12. Or children, what we have to do? 1 by 4, 6 by 12. Cross multiply.
Cross
1,
multiply.
12.
And 24.
6 into 4, 24. So which is bigger? 24 is bigger.
24.
So you can use any method. So which fraction? 6 by 12, that is greater. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, now we can do 9.4. What is 9.4?
Add
and subtract
Add and subtract unlike fraction. So how we can tell, we can add or subtract? Tell me what we have to do.
First, we need to
Same like this. How to compare? We have to make the denominator same. Same like that, children. You have to find the LCM or we have to make the denominator same. Then add only the numerators or subtract only the numerators. Okay, children. That we can do in our next period. We will join in board number
7.
Board
7.
number 7. We will continue our revision with the 9.4. Okay, children.
Okay,
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.